client saw this, remember this, and she wants me to use this her material. This is lace material, very pretty lace, I must say, to make it. So we have this lace material. I already have the Alice band that I've wrapped up, okay, so that it will look like the other one. Then I've put my hairband so it doesn't, my elastic band so it doesn't drop off. And I made use of the bias, black bias, to wrap it off. We'll be needing our needle, and let's put it back here, and our fishing line. This is 0.3 mm. Then I've already this, of course, if you remember, if you watched it, is 18 inches. So I've already put the wire inside and I've locked this one, so it's remaining to put, I'm going to be using the lace to put the trim in, so I will show you how I'm going to do that. Then we have our stone trimmings cutter. I've already made use of that. E7000. We have our white bias, because we'll be needing this. We have our scissors. Yes, now I have a new sharp scissors. Then our measurement tape. I'm coming, there's still more things we need. I'll be needing pegs. Then our quill. Zigzag scissors, can't remember which one is sharp. I'll be needing the jewelry wire, then lighter. I want to get what I'm going to use to stick here. So what I intend to do, this particular crinoline came out shorter than that other one, so I'm going to, it's going to be like this, okay, very small like this. So like this. So I'm going to be using my zigzag scissors to trace it down. To cut it out rather. Okay, this is not the sharp one. This is the sharp one. Okay. So I'm just following to cut it in shape. So keep on doing that till we get to the end. I can do it this way, or I keep on folding like so. So I'm going to do it to the end and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I finally cut it straight, but looking at it, I would still need to, okay, this is shiny part, so it's going to be like this. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. So I'm going to do it like this. But let's bond the edges. Okay. It's not framed, so we can leave it like that. So I'm going to glue it like how you saw me gluing the trimmings. So I'll do them and get back to you. So I noticed that these wires were showing when I used the lace. So I'm going to be covering it with this. Just like this, the under part wasn't showing, so I'm going to cover like this. And to do that, I'll make use of my hot glue. Do that all the way down. So these are ready. See how they're looking beautiful. Just to turn them into spirals. So now for this, I'm going to wrap it with this before I wrap it with the lace piece as well. So that's it. All you need to do is combine all these things I have taught you right now how to make, and using the steps that I used to make this particular video, and you have gotten it looking like this.